New construction duplex by the lake. Lakeviews and easy lake access is on offer beside the community park. No expense has been spared in this luxury rebuild, literally from the ground up, with uncompromising high-end quality, innovative design finishes and new everything. Here you can meet the serenity of nature on the water's edge, but with easy walking access to main street restaurants, coffee and shopping, or take a stroll along the lakefront park. Wrap-around decking on 3 sides for both units with a large private courtyard garden for the main unit, allows for expanded tranquil indoor/outdoor living and enjoying the lake views. The attention to detail is evident throughout the entire property, from the upgraded 2x6 walls and new insulation to the new wiring and plumbing. In addition, the interior walls are also insulated to ensure privacy and a soundproof environment. Here you have the option for home and income with B&B as a possibility for both units or as an extended family residence of 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Approaching the home, you are greeted by a beautifully stamped and stained concrete driveway leading to the Dutch barn doors of a 300 square feet multi-use room, in each unit perfect for a 3rd bedroom or additional living space. The home has luxury vinyl flooring, quartz countertops, high-end cabinetry and more. Inside, you enjoy complete climate control, thanks to the 4-ton Mitsubishi split untold with a total of 8 registers throughout the complex.